4 a.m. in Bangalore roads. Started driving towards Hoskote, and we could also see an ambassador car. I love ambassador cars. We reached the temple at 5 a.m. As soon as we saw the temple entrance, we said it's not crowded, should be fast for us to move. But then we realized there is a separate line to see the entrance. These are the people who are just doing prayer from outside and going. Look at the queue at 5 a.m. Temple was not open. Temple was supposed to open at 6 a.m. So it was a good, nice weather. It was not so chill. So we stood there, checked the timings of opening. This is 6 o'clock. We could hear the some temple puja happening. We saw the trees, the sky, the clouds, the dark clouds pass by. We see the sunrise happening. We just spent time seeing the good nature. You can see as soon as it become 5:30, 5:45, it was already crowded. We are standing in the line, still motivated to see if we can really touch the God. This is the Sri Katirama temple in Hoskote on the National Highway. On Bhimnamasa day, if you go there, they will really let you inside the Garbhagudi, touch the God feet and take the blessing. This is how people are entering the Garbhagudi, and you can see, I'm trying to take the video, we couldn't cover it, but as I went closer, I was able to really see the Katarama's face. She didn't look fiercey, she was really calm faced, looked like she was giving blessings for everybody who were coming, and really everybody's wishes get fulfilled. Today is the only day once in a year where they let everybody, devotees, to go inside the Garbhagudi, touch the God feet, take the blessing. I really, when I went inside, I was really able to touch the feet, put my head on the God's feet, see the God. Some videos I was really able to capture the God face. You can see the God face there. See how beautiful she's looking. She was really like in welcoming the everybody. This is the crowd. One car had parked behind us, so we had to wait for 10 minutes for them to come and clear us. Then we went towards Avimukteshwar temple. This is the temple which is a very, very old temple. Multiple times we have gone. We couldn't get the darshan. Today we thought we'll get the darshan at 6 a.m. in the morning. And one more thing is, when I came out from the temple of Katirama, I lost my chappal. Somebody has taken away my chappal. I believe somebody steals the chappal. It's a good luck. Hopefully it turns to be good luck. So I came barefoot throughout, and been barefoot even now. I'm just going to see if there are no shops open which I can buy and study spare chappal. So I tried, let me see barefoot and see what can I do. This is the entrance of Avimukteshwara, and this is a very, very old temple. It's very sad to see that it could be maintained, promoted for more devotees to come. Today was a Bhim Namase, so they're planning a big puja, looks like, but we didn't have time. They said we will start the Abhishekam, but we just took the blessings of the God. At last we were able to get the darshan of this God after the fourth visit. So we really took the blessings and we came back and had a good day today.